how to view wish list on Amazon. So if you want to view the wish list on your Amazon, then what you need to do is first you can either open your application or you can also go with your browser. So I'll just go with my browser. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, go with your search and search for Amazon. After opening your Amazon, and make sure to log into your account. And once you've logged in, here on the top right, you will have an option of accounts and list. But before that, make sure that you're under the desktop side. Under desktop side, you will have the option of account and list. So you need to tap on it. And here on the left side, you will have your list section, right? So under your list, you'll have your wish list if you've added a wish list. But in my case, I've not added a wish list, but you can create a list and then you can add the items to your wish list and you will have your wish list option right here. Or you can also just go with the right side and here you will have watch list. You can either go with your watch list if you want to. If you tap on it, you will have all of the history. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.